Now we're going to talk about window washer fluid. Again, you could pick this up in your auto parts stores, your supermarket, your Walmart, Targets, Kmart, Sears. Everybody stocks this. This is good for about 20 below. You'll need it in your winter months. If you use straight water, it'll freeze up on your windshield. You won't see where you're going. This will help keep your windshield clean, and hopefully you'll have safe driving. It's very easy to put in. We'll show you in a second how to put it in. Okay, we're going to locate where our washer fluid would go. It's plainly marked. There's a little windshield with the little water spout. This is where we're going to top it off. I always like to use a funnel. It's a seal in there. Okay, we removed the seal. We know we got good stuff when that seal is on there. Use it straight out the bottle. All right, we're good to go there. You always want to use a windshield washer antifreeze that's good for minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. As you ride down the road, if you're using just water, it can freeze up on your windshield, causing bad visibility, and you know it could happen from there, an accident.